Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop source for all things crypto. Today we're diving into a topic that's fundamental for anyone involved in the cryptocurrency world: crypto wallets. What are they? How do they work, and why are they so important? Let's get started. A crypto wallet is your private vault for protecting your priceless digital possessions in the broad world of cryptocurrencies. You may store, manage, and interact with your Bitcoin using it as a high-tech piggy bank. What is a crypto wallet? Crypto wallets are tools that enable users to access and manage their cryptocurrency holdings on the blockchain by securely storing their private keys. A crypto wallet may appear to be like a digital vault or safe to keep your hard-earned cryptocurrencies. However, the truth is much more complex. In the decentralized realm of blockchain technology, crypto wallets serve a far more important purpose than secure storage. Consider a cryptocurrency wallet as a link between you and the distributed ledger, or blockchain, which houses all of the crypto transactions. But you might want to know, where is cryptocurrency stored? The simple answer is that in contrast to a conventional wallet that retains tangible currency, a cryptocurrency wallet does not store your coins. Rather, it safely stores the private keys that function as your blockchain-based digital signature. Now, you might be confused about how to ensure a crypto wallet security is effective enough to protect your funds. Think of it like your publicly available bank account number, which is analogous to your public key. You can receive cryptocurrency at this address from anybody. However, the only thing that may approve any withdrawals or transfers is your private key, which is the same as your PIN. Furthermore, be informed that cryptocurrency wallets do more than just protecting your digital assets. They enable you to engage in a variety of interactions with the blockchain ecosystem. Using your wallet, you can receive cryptocurrency. Your public address is where anyone may send you cryptocurrency. Send cryptocurrency. Use your private key to digitally sign transactions to get them started. Manage your assets. Keep tabs on specific transactions and your total crypto amount. Engage with dApps, or decentralized applications. Through your wallet, you can have direct access to an expanding array of dApps, including gaming platforms and DeFi, decentralized financial services. Public key and private key explained. A secure algorithm is used to establish a mathematically connected pair of keys, a public key and a private key, when you create a cryptocurrency wallet. With the use of a one-way cryptographic function, the public key is obtained from the private key. Security is ensured by the near impossibility of deriving the private key from the public key. What is a public key? Envision a thriving market brimming with virtual assets, the realm of cryptocurrencies. You must have a method of obtaining these priceless coins and tokens to take part in the crypto ecosystem. This is when your public key comes into the picture. Consider it your own public address in this digital marketplace. You can publicly share this string of alphanumeric characters with whomever, as indicated by its name. Your public key enables people to send you cryptocurrency, much like having a public postal address enables them to send you letters. Crypto can be sent to your public key address by anyone in the world. Comparable to giving you your mailbox key, anyone can add something to it, but they are unable to access items that are already inside. It simply acts as a designated location to receive your crypto assets. Your security is unaffected by sharing your public key, but a public key is derived through a sophisticated cryptographic process. The public key is hashed and mathematically generated from your private key. You can easily distribute your public key without disclosing the more sensitive private key due to this one-way mechanism. When someone transfers cryptocurrency to your wallet address, they are essentially locking those funds with a mathematical puzzle that can only be solved with your private key. What is a private key? In the cryptocurrency market, consider your private key to be the master key to your digital vault. Consider it as a lengthy string of characters that need to be kept completely confidential. Similar to a bank account PIN, this private key gives you sole authority over the coin linked to its matching public key. Any transaction you wish to authorize requires the use of the private key. You digitally sign transactions with your private key while sending cryptocurrency. This signature effectively confirms that you are authorized to transfer those funds, serving as a cryptographic evidence of ownership. The blockchain network wouldn't approve the transaction if your private key wasn't used to sign it. At this point, you might want to understand, how do crypto wallets work behind the scenes? Be aware that you need to start a transaction in your wallet to transmit crypto. The recipient's address, the transaction fee, and the amount are all assembled by the wallet software. This is where the magic lies. This transaction has been digitally signed by your wallet using your private key. The transaction data and your private key are used to create a unique code that serves as the signature. This signature and the transaction are sent out to the blockchain network. The network's miners, or validators depending on the blockchain, check the transaction to make sure the signature is legitimate and you have enough funds. The network mathematically confirms that the signature was created with the matching private key by utilizing the public key linked to your sending address. The transaction is added to the blockchain and the ledger is updated to reflect the transfer of your cryptocurrency if the signature is verified. Crypto wallet security is crucial when dealing with private keys. Losing your private key results in permanent loss of access to your crypto assets. Just like losing the key to a physical safe won't give you access to your tangible assets. Your digital assets are lost as soon as your private key is lost. There are no recovery procedures in place. Because of this, it's essential to keep your private key safe and not give it to anybody. Types of crypto wallets. Various crypto wallets exist, but there are realistically two types of crypto wallets. Hot wallets, cold wallets. With the above listed categorization, you might wonder, what is BTC wallet? Let's decode that a BTC wallet is specifically designed to hold and manage Bitcoin. You must obtain cryptocurrency from an exchange or another user to use a crypto wallet or any BTC wallet. And you can transfer or exchange funds using your wallet. What is a hot wallet? Hot wallets are online wallets meant for cryptocurrency users dealing in small amounts of cryptocurrency. They prioritize functionality and convenience of use. They provide an easy-to-use interface for transferring, receiving, and managing your crypto holdings because they are always online. Here's a closer look of the primary hot wallet subtypes. Web wallets. Arguably, a web wallet is the most easy-to-use kind of a crypto wallet. Cryptocurrency exchanges or companies that offer specialized wallets host them online. They are instantly accessible through your web browser, so you may access them from any internet-connected device. Creating an online wallet is frequently a straightforward procedure. You may open an account and create a wallet on many exchanges. They are a good starting point for newbies because of their ease of usage. One excellent example of a Web3 wallet is MetaMask. With the help of a browser extension, users may communicate with the Ethereum blockchain and its network of dApps right from their browser. One important distinction is that you usually don't keep your private keys directly when using web wallets. That is the exchange's or the provider's obligation. This makes dealing with crypto wallets easier. But it also puts your assets in the hands of a third party. Remember, not your keys, not your coins. Desktop wallets. A middle ground between cold storage and web wallets is provided by desktop wallets. On your desktop computer, you can download and install these software programs. Unlike web wallets, you have more control over your cryptocurrency since you own your private keys. Exodus Wallet, which enables users to safely store, manage, and exchange different cryptocurrencies straight from their desktop PCs, is an example of a desktop wallet. When it comes to functionality, desktop wallets are more advanced than web wallets. They might come with built-in features like staking, being rewarded for holding a certain cryptocurrency, advanced trading choices, and blockchain application interaction. Even while desktop wallets provide you more control, they are still online. It's critical to back up your private keys safely, install robust security measures on your computer, and use reliable software. Mobile wallets. These are mobile apps made especially to help you keep track of your cryptocurrency holdings. Portability and accessibility are given priority in mobile wallets. You may send, receive, and keep track of your cryptocurrency balance directly from your phone using your mobile wallet. Trust Wallet, which enables users to safely store, transmit, receive, and exchange different cryptocurrencies straight from their mobile devices, is an example of a mobile wallet. For regular transactions or buying cryptocurrencies, mobile wallets are perfect. They frequently have mobile-friendly interfaces that make them easy to use while on the road. However, there is an inherent risk involved with using a hot wallet that is linked to the internet. Just like with desktop wallets. Mobile wallets should always be downloaded from reliable sources, such as app stores, and secure passwords should always be your first priority. What is a cold wallet? The private keys that safeguard your digital assets are best protected via cold wallets, which provide offline storage options. Below are the various types of cold wallets available in the cryptocurrency market. Hardware wallets, which resemble USB devices, keep your private keys safe and secure in a separate location. Compared to hot wallets that are connected to the internet, this offline feature greatly improves security. Trezor and Ledger are two examples of well-known hardware wallets. Your private keys are kept securely on these devices. Only when you connect your hardware wallet to a computer and enter your PIN can you sign transactions. The integrity of your private keys is safeguarded by the fact that they never leave the device, even when you're processing transactions. Additionally, hardware wallets frequently have recovery seed phrases, allowing you to recover your wallet in case the device is misplaced or damaged. Hardware wallets are more expensive than other types of wallets, but they are more secure. For long-term storage and significant sums of cryptocurrency, they are highly recommended. Paper wallets, one of the oldest methods for cold storage. Physically print your private and public keys. Typically, these are printed as QR codes that may be scanned for quick access to your cryptocurrency. Paper wallets do not require any online interaction and are totally offline. They are thus resistant to hacking and malware attacks. However, they do present certain difficulties and hazards. It's important to create a paper wallet in a safe offline setting. To prevent unauthorized access to your keys, make sure your computer and printer are virus-free. The problem of physical damage and loss is also present. In the event of damage or loss, you must store your paper wallet in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe, because it cannot be recovered. In the simplest words, a paper wallet acts as a certificate containing a unique code generated by a crypto wallet software that can be printed out for storage. Paper wallets are less common than they once were, because hardware wallets and other more secure choices are now available. Custodial wallets. In the field of cryptocurrencies, custodial wallets have become a popular alternative for users looking for ease and security from a reputable third party. These wallets are frequently offered by cryptocurrency exchanges and are distinguished by the provider's control over your private keys. Here's a closer examination of the main facets of custodial wallets. What is a custodial wallet? A third-party service provider controls the private keys to your wallet in a custodial wallet. Your cryptocurrency assets are safely stored and managed by this service. While some users enjoy this simplicity, others could be worried about the loss of complete control over their assets. Examples of custodial wallets. Several well-known cryptocurrency exchanges and financial services provide custodial wallets. Coinbase, a well-known cryptocurrency exchange and custodial wallet provider, is Coinbase. It is ideal for newcomers to the cryptocurrency industry because of its simple interface. You may buy, sell, store, and earn rewards on your assets with Coinbase. Binance, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, Binance also provides custodial wallets. It offers a wide variety of supported cryptocurrencies and cutting-edge trading functions. Kraken, another well-known exchange that offers custodial wallet services, is Kraken. They place a lot of emphasis on security and give their customers access to a wide range of features. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Convenience. Custodial wallets handle difficult security procedures, relieving you of some of the strain involved with safeguarding your private keys. 1. User-friendly. These wallets frequently have simple user interfaces, making them perfect for new users. 2. Security. Reputable custodial wallets like Coinbase frequently offer strong security measures, such as multi-signature wallets and insurance against theft or hacking. 3. Disadvantages. Control. When you use a custodial wallet, you give up direct control over your private keys, which runs against the fundamental tenet of decentralization that underpins cryptocurrencies. 1. Risk of custodian failure. There is always a chance that the custodian may encounter financial difficulties or security breaches that could affect your assets. 2. Privacy. Custodial wallet providers frequently need users to provide personal information to comply with regulatory obligations, compromising the anonymity that some users seek. 3. Non-custodial wallets. Users who prefer full control over their private keys and the most amount of security and privacy can use non-custodial wallets. Users of these wallets are totally responsible for the security and maintenance of their private key. Here is a more thorough explanation of non-custodial wallets. What is a non-custodial wallet? You control your private keys with a non-custodial wallet, and nobody else has access to or control over your funds. Although this gives users a great degree of autonomy, it also necessitates a greater level of accountability and knowledge. Examples of non-custodial wallets. A variety of non-custodial wallet solutions are available in the crypto industry, each offering unique features. MetaMask. A well-known non-custodial wallet is MetaMask, which is accessible as both a mobile app and a browser extension. It enables users to manage their Ethereum and ERC20 tokens and engage with dApps, decentralized applications. Trust Wallet. Users may securely store and manage a variety of cryptocurrencies with Trust Wallet, a mobile-only non-custodial wallet. It is well liked for its simplicity and extensive support for various blockchain networks. Ledger Live. Users can manage their hardware wallets and carry out transactions directly from the interface with Ledger Live, a non-custodial wallet solution provided by Ledger. It offers an added degree of security and is accessible as a desktop and mobile app. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Control. Non-custodial wallets give you complete control over your private keys, ensuring that only you have access to and control over your assets. 1. Security. Because they are not dependent on a third party, non-custodial wallets are less vulnerable to security flaws on exchanges. 2. Privacy. Non-custodial wallets typically don't require users to provide personal information, ensuring a higher level of anonymity. 3. Disadvantages. Responsibility. The responsibility for managing and safeguarding your private keys falls entirely on you. 1. If you lose your keys, there is no way to recover your funds. 2. Complexity. Non-custodial wallets can be more complex to set up and use, especially for beginners. 3. No recovery options. Unlike custodial wallets, non-custodial wallets don't offer account recovery options. 3. If you lose your private key or recovery phrase, your assets are permanently inaccessible. Security best practices for crypto wallets. To keep your digital assets safe, you must implement security best practices whether you choose a custodial or non-custodial wallet. Here are some important suggestions. 1. Use strong passwords. Always use strong, unique passwords for your wallets and exchange accounts. 1. Avoid reusing passwords across different platforms. 2. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Whenever possible, enable 2FA to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. 3. Keep your private keys offline. Use cold storage options like hardware wallets or paper wallets for long-term storage of your private keys. 4. Back up your wallet. Regularly back up your wallet and store the recovery phrases securely in multiple locations. 5. Beware of phishing attacks. Be cautious of phishing attempts and only use official websites and apps to access your wallets. 6. Keep software up to date. Ensure that your wallet software and any associated apps are always updated to the latest versions to benefit from security patches and new features. In the constantly changing cryptocurrency industry, selecting the best crypto wallet is crucial. You may choose a wallet that meets your needs and preferences by being aware of the many types that are available and the functions that each one provides. To preserve your digital assets, remember to put security first, keep your private keys safe, and adhere to best practices. Cryptocurrency can be securely managed and stored with the appropriate wallet and the right information.